Hi, welcome to the second video of this month's focus on strengthening the lower back or maintaining the strength in the lower back. So this is the 20-minute practice. If you've been doing the 10-minute practice, you'll find some similar movements and of course some new ones. And in about 10 days or so, I'll release the 45-minute practice, which will build on what we've been doing. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. And for now, let's settle in and settle down. Feet firmly planted, sitting in the middle of the chair. Feeling the string pulling the crown of the head up. And inhale, lift your shoulders gently up. And exhale, release. And inhale, squeeze a little tighter. And release. And inhale, squeeze tightly, make fists. And release. And then inhale, squeeze tightly, make fists, squeeze your mouth. And release. And then as always, take a moment to find your breath, to find your deep inhales and slow, full exhale. Breathing in and out of your nose. Inhale, feel your chest expand. And exhale, gently draw your belly into your spine. On your exhale, bring your hands to your side. And inhale, reach your arms up as much as feels okay today. And exhale, float down. So remember, we're always listening to our body, honoring our body. So sometimes you might only lift part way. Maybe one day only one arm wants to lift. Most important thing is that you're taking deep inhales and slow, full exhales. One more time, lifting up and exhale, floating down. You can keep your hands at your side or rest them on your legs. And then inhale, lift up your heels. And exhale, slowly lower your heels. And then inhale, lift up your toes. Keep the balls of your feet on the ground. And exhale, lower your toes. So inhale, lifting up the heels. Exhale, slowly lowering. Inhale, lift up just your toes. Balls stay down. Exhale, lower the toes. And exhale down. And take another inhale. And exhale, hinge forward. Inhale, begin to make a circle. And exhale, complete that circle. So one deep inhale. And one slow, full exhale as you make whatever size circle feels good in your body today. And then go in the other direction. And come to stillness. Bring your hands onto your legs where I think they already are. And inhale, slide your hands towards your body, lifting your chest and your face. And exhale, slide your hands towards your knees, drawing your chin into your chest. So on the inhale, as your chest expands, you might feel an arch. And as you exhale, drawing your belly into your spine, you might feel a rounding. Remember, gentle, listen to your body. It's always okay to just sit and breathe. And of course, one of the beauties of an on-demand class is, although you're missing the community, you can do whatever you want. Nobody's watching. And next time you inhale, lifting your chest, stay there for just a breath or two. Deep inhale, shoulders away from your ears, pushing into your feet. And then exhale, release. And then bring your left hand down and bring your right arm out, right hand onto your shoulder. Take a deep inhale, exhale, tilt over to the left. Inhale, lift back up. Exhale, tilt, perhaps looking up. And exhale back. And inhale, release. And then lower the right hand, bring the left hand up. Take an inhale, exhale, tilt to the right. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, tilt, maybe looking up. Inhale, looking back towards the center. And exhale, release. Walk your feet out a little wider than your chair. Rest your forearms on your thighs as you kind of fold forward, maybe clasping your hands, maybe letting them just be loose. Think about pushing into your feet. Think about letting your head be heavy so you could shake it no. You can nod it yes. And breathing deeply and fully here. On your next exhale, bring your hands to your thighs. Inhale, push yourself up. And exhale there. And let's do that again. Exhale, fold forward, arms resting on your thighs, shoulders away from your ears. Breathing deeply and fully. And exhale, bring your hands to your thighs. Inhale, gently push yourself up. And exhale there. Take another deep inhale. And a slow, full exhale. And then walk your feet out a little further now. And now your toes are no longer pointing forward. Have your toes pointing in the same direction as your knees, your heels underneath your knees. And bring your right forearm to rest on your right leg, palm facing up. And bring your left arm, your left hand behind your head, just gently behind your head. And inhale, look up at that elbow. And exhale, slightly bend down. Inhale, lifting up. And exhale, curving down. Inhale up, looking up. Exhale down. Think about your feet firmly planted here. We'll do one more. Inhale, elbow up, and exhale, elbow down. And then inhale that elbow up, exhale there. Inhale, come up, bring that arm down, exhale there. Take another deep inhale, slow, full exhale. And then bring your left forearm down and bring that right hand behind your head. Inhale, looking up, exhale, bringing that elbow down. Inhale up and exhale down. A few more. Deep inhale up. Slow, full exhale down. And inhale up. Exhale there. Inhale, come up. Exhale there. Take a deep inhale. Slow, full exhale. And walk your feet back towards the middle. And come back so you're in the middle of your chair. And then take your right, wrap your hands around your right left shin and squeeze that leg up. Trying to stay seated evenly in your chair. Try not to lean back. And just hold it there for a breath or two. And exhale, release. And do the same thing with the left leg, squeezing it up. And exhale, release. And then give your right leg a kick. And cross that right foot over the left. Left foot is firmly planted. You can stay right here. Or you can lift that right ankle onto your left thigh. Wherever you are, just find yourself seated evenly in your chair, shoulders away from your ears, imagining a string pulling you up. A few deep breaths here. And then exhale, twist over to your right. Same direction as that leg that's up. Maybe looking over your right shoulder, pushing into that left foot, breathing deeply and fully. And then exhale, come back to the center. Take a deep inhale and exhale, hinge forward from your hips. So you want to keep your back flat, shoulders away from your ears. Neck is nice and long. You're neither tucking your chin into your chest nor are you looking up. Pushing into that left foot, perhaps flexing the right toes towards your right knee. And then inhale, slowly come up. Exhale there. Unwind that leg, give it a kick. And then we'll do the other side. So give the left leg a kick. And then cross that left foot over the right, perhaps lifting it up. If you practice with me a lot, you know we do something similar. We do this move in almost every class. The difference here this month with the focus on the lower back is that twist that we're adding in. And also that we're just sitting in the position without folding at first. Few breaths. And on an exhale, twist over to the left, gazing over the left shoulder, pushing into that right foot. And exhale, release. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, hinge from your hips. Shoulders away from your ears. Back is flat. Perhaps flexing those left toes towards your left knee. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, deep inhales and slow, full exhales. And then inhale, slowly come up. Exhale there. Unwind that leg, give it a kick. And then step back in your chair. Bring your hands to rest on your lap. Maybe your palms are up. We're going to do a few rounds of square or box breath before settling into a rest. So we're going to inhale for 4, pause for 4, exhale for 4, pause for 4. So let's take a deep inhale together. And exhale. And then inhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3, 4. Now do a few more squares with your count. Just want it to have 4 equal sides. Maybe you want it count to 3, or maybe you want to try 5 or 6. And after you hold the bottom of the next exhale, allow your breath to return to normal. And take a moment to rest, to relax, to allow your body to absorb the movement. Soften your face, unclench your jaw. Allow your shoulders to fall away from your ears. Allow your hips to sink into the chair. And with each exhale, focus your attention on your body sinking into the chair. On your body, letting go of tension and stress. And your mind also letting go of its tension and stress as it focuses only on the body sinking into the chair. And then gently begin wiggling your fingers and your toes. And roll your wrists and your ankles slowly in one direction, maybe the other. And reach your arms up, big, big stretch. Maybe your feet come up too. Maybe sway a little bit. And bring your hands together, lower to heart center. And take a moment of gratitude. Always remembering if you're having trouble finding things to be grateful for, there's always the kindness and love and compassion that you show yourself when you sit down to practice. I encourage you to continue to sit in quiet reflection if you have time. It's a pleasure to practice with you. Until next time, bye.